Stop what you're doing. You need to see these Target home finds before they're gone. I went in for this 5x7 frame for my daughter's room, which was a steal for only $4, and ended up finding the most amazing pieces that I couldn't wait to share with you. We're talking stylish ottomans, affordable accent chairs, chic bar carts, and unique decor that'll instantly give your home a high-end look without breaking the bank. They're sure to sell out fast, so grab your coffee and stay to the end for all my tips on elevating your space with these budget-friendly finds. I'm Nikki D, your go-to resource for design inspiration to make your home look expensive. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button to get a notification for future videos. Now let's get shopping. We'll start with the living room because it's the most used space in your home and where you really want to make a statement. First up, this boucle upholstered accent armchair with brass details. The back cushion's removable so you could flip it if needed. Its unique lines and brass touches give it that high-end designer look at just $250, which is a fraction of what the high-end versions will cost you. Pair it with the round pedestal accent table from Hearth and Hand for warmth. It's available in natural wood, aged oak, or sage green if you want a pop of color. Personally, I'm obsessed with this marble and brass accent drink table for under $60. If you've been following along, you know I love a good drink table, and this one is both stunning and affordable. It wasn't available in my store, but don't worry, all the links from today's video are in the description below so you could shop from home. Next, let's talk ottomans. Adding one is an easy way to elevate your space while adding functionality. My Target had some fabulous options in store, including the slipcover cube ottoman by Studio McGee for only $100. This one's fully upholstered with corner slits and self fabric tie bows, which give it that tailored, expensive look. Place a pair opposite your sofa or under a console table for instant sophistication. Another standout was the fully upholstered ottoman for $90. Its clean lines and checkered pattern work beautifully with traditional or transitional spaces. Bonus, it's available in olive green velvet, which is perfect for the 2025 trends. And if you need help finding your design style, take the quiz in the description below. To add texture to your space, check out the gold velvet square hoof ottoman. It's functional yet chic and perfect for extra seating or as a footrest. Also, make sure to stay to the end because I'm sharing even more affordable ways to layer in high-end style for less. Speaking of chic luxury, let's talk about the metal and marble bar cart from Hearth and Hand. It's a showstopper and so versatile. You can style it as a bar cart or coffee or tea station if you don't drink. Pro tip, add decanters, small plants, and cocktail books for a designer look. The best part, it's on wheels, so you can move it wherever you're entertaining. At just over $200, this one won't last. Mark my words. Quick tip before you make any purchases, always measure and create a floor plan to avoid returns. There's a free step-by-step PDF linked in the description below to help you map out your space perfectly. Rattan and Wicker are having a big moment in design, and Target nailed it with pieces like this table lamp with woven base and shade. It adds a natural touch to any room and pairs beautifully with the large wicker scallop edge basket, great for holding magazines, toys, or a throw blanket. If wicker isn't your vibe, Target also has gorgeous gold metal baskets and cream rope baskets to choose from. Wall art and lighting can completely transform your space. I found this Studio McGee 30 by 30 line abstract frame canvas for only $60. Its neutral tones and abstract design will add flow and movement, making it perfect for over your sofa or fireplace mantle. Layered lighting is key to creating that designer look. This fluted metal rechargeable library table lamp is perfect for adding soft task lighting. It's only 11.5 inches tall, making it great for a bookshelf, kitchen counter, or coffee table stack. Another favorite is the Studio McGee ceramic table lamp with its textured base and luxurious linen shade. It's the perfect addition to your living room, bedroom, or home office. If you love to cook, the brass cookbook holder with weighted chains is both practical and beautiful. It's sturdy enough to hold your favorite recipes and looks stunning styled on your counter as decor when not in use. I also came across a twisted brass book holder that's lovely for displaying closed books, but it's not as sturdy for holding open ones, in my opinion. And if you have high shelves, this 18-inch wood kitchen step stool is a must-have. It's functional for reaching those hard-to-access spots and doubles as a stylish decor piece when not in use. Throw pillows and blankets are hands down the easiest way to create a cozy vibe in your space. Target has some amazing options, like the square textured striped throw pillow with whip stitching. It's perfect for adding texture to neutral spaces. I also spotted this big striped throw pillow with ruffled edge in blue and cream from Studio McGee. It just hit the floor and gives off those charming grandmother coastal vibes. Pair it with the textured velvet lumbar pillow for a beautifully layered high-end look. Another trend I'm loving, ball and knot pillows. Target has a soft velvet knot pillow for just $10, which is available in ivory, green, black, or blue. It's a fun and trendy way to add dimension to your decor. Check out the textured fur throw blankets or mixed yarn woven throw with tassels in cream or sage to layer in even more texture. These pieces feel super luxe, but they're totally budget friendly. For the bathroom, this vintage vanity mirror in brushed brass from Hearth and Hand is a total steal at just $25. It's not only elegant, but functional, with a handy tray at the base for holding jewelry or other small items. If you're after something with a modern edge, the brass vanity flip mirror with tray is another fantastic option, and it's also available in black. These designs remind me of the Anthropologie vanity mirror that's easily 5 times the price. Talk about getting the look for less. And let me just say, I'm completely obsessed with this gold tissue box cover. It's such a simple upgrade, but it makes such a difference. Goodbye printed tissue boxes and hello stylish sophistication. Now for the finishing touches. If your space feels incomplete, chances are it's missing decor. Target has amazing options like the white textured floor vase or tall ceramic organic modern vase for adding height and interest. This silver loop taper candle holder or set of 3 aluminum taper holders in gold are timeless pieces for your mantle or dining table. Don't forget greenery. The moss in gold bowl or small faux succulents are perfect for bringing life to your design. Lastly, if you're looking to make your home smell as beautiful as it looks, I highly recommend the Pura Smart Fragrance Diffuser. Target carries the Studio McGee scents and they're absolutely lovely. I have the Pura in my home and it's set on a timer to go off twice a day. It's been a total game changer, not just for how my home smells, but for creating that welcoming high-end vibe we all want. And that, my friends, is a wrap on today's Target Shop with Me. These finds are seriously flying off the shelf, so don't wait to get them while you can. Links to everything shared in today's video are in the description below, plus a blog post with all this information. Let me know in the comments which pieces you're most excited about or if you've already bought any. If you're feeling overwhelmed by all the options, sign up for my course, Design a Home 101, linked in the description. It's a step-by-step guide to help you create a home you love without hiring a designer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a friend. For more decorating tips and inspiration, check out this video next. Love you all so much, and I'll see you next Sunday. Until then, happy designing. Ciao.